Hi, boys and girls. It's time for Sounds with Mr. Slates. Last time we learned a new sound. Can anyone remember what that sound is? If you guessed sh, you're correct. And we learned that sh is made by two letters, my S and H. So whenever I see an S and an H together in a word, they make the sh sound. Today we're going to learn a new sound. Just like last time, I say a word, you echo. After I'm done saying all three words, see if you can hear what sound is the same at the beginning of each of the words. Are you ready? Here we go. Say thumb. Say think. Say thick. Thumb, think, thick. Huh. What sound do you hear that's alike? Look at my picture. It's sticking its tongue out. Did you hear the sound? And did you stick out your tongue? You should have. Thumb, think, thick. For this sound, my tongue is sticking out between my two teeth. Let's look carefully at these words. What do you see that's the same at the beginning of all three words? If you guessed TH, you're correct. T and H, when they go together, make the sound th. All right, let's do some practice. Behind each triangle is a letter or letters. When the triangle disappears, you say the sound that the letter or letters makes. Are you ready? Here we go. B. Mario. Th. Another one. Th. Sh. E. Ah. Great job. All right, let's do our next sound activity. This time, I'm going to say a word that has two parts, but instead of taking off the second part, I'm going to take off the first part and you tell me what's left. Every single picture has something to do with food. Are you ready? Say pineapple. Without pine, what's left? Apple. Great job. Say strawberry. Without straw, what's left? Berry. Say butterscotch. Without butter, what's left? Scotch. Say salt water. Without salt, what's left? Water. Say peppermint. Without pepper, what's left? Mint. Say blueberry. Without blue, what's left? Berry. Say watermelon. Without water, what's left? Melon. Last one, say applesauce. Without apple, what's left? Sauce. All right, we have another new sound activity. This is called deleting. Deleting. And I'm going to bring Mario out to help us. Are you ready to see Mario? Here he comes. Ah, Mario has glasses on today. He looks so smart. All right, Mario and I are going to demonstrate what to do. I'm going to say a word and you echo. Mario will echo too. Then I'm going to ask you to take off the first sound and say what's left. Let Mario know. Mario and I do the first one. Are you ready? Here we go. All right, Mario, say fall. Fall. Without f, what's left, Mario? All. Did you hear him? What's left is all. Let's try another one. You ready? Say rat. Rat. Without what's left? At. Good job, Mario. Say peer. Beer. Without what's left? Ear. Ear. Good job. Say chair. Chair. Without What's left? Air. Air. Did you hear that? What's left is air. Last one. Say wake. Wake. Without w, what's left? Ache. Good job, boys and girls. Now I looked at my screen and I noticed something. Some of those dots, those first dots, were not disappearing. I'm wondering if Mario and I worked on that and we forgot to take away that first dot. So next time, we'll take away that first dot. All right, goodbye for now. I hope you have a great day.